All right, folks, here's another quick unboxing of something I received to review. It's the LincPlus T4 tablet PC. So let's get right into it. Simple box. Uh, Move this out the way. Comes in the usual wrapping. We'll take that off. The protection that most of these come in. So right off the bat, it seems small. It's 11-inch. Got that beautiful film on it that I'll peel off in a second. I'll put the tablet down for a moment. You see my reflection in it, right? User manual, just 2 pages, very thin. Gives a spec, LincPlus T4 MediaTek G99 dual core A76 2.2G plus hexa-core CA55 2.0G, Android 13. 8 gig LPDDR4, storage 128G UFS, display 10.95 inches, 2000 by 1200 IPS, touch in-cell 10-point case full metal, battery 8,000 milliamp hours, 3.8 volts, cameras, front cameras 8 megapixels, rear 13 megapixels, has a flashlight, Wi-Fi 2.45 gig, and 8.211 ABGN-AC, Bluetooth 5.2, USB ports, USB Type-C, USB data, audio out, micro SD port, button, power and volume up and down, G sensor, GPS, 2 mics, 4 speakers. The charge is 2.0 watts, 20 watts, 20 watts. Support PD, PE plus quick charger, weight 519 grams, and in the box they're saying is a tablet, USB cable, ejection pin, magnetic holder, pen, and manual. So let's see. Should be pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's see what's in this box. Cable, USB-C cable, charger, and I like that because I think a lot of them give you the cable now without the charger, and I don't like that because many outlets have the charger. Stylus pen. That box is empty. Put it aside. Let's move these out the way to see what else is in here. Oh, it's a case. And it's a case with the stylus holder, right? What's this in the bottom? Oh, this is the ejection pin. The ejection pin for SD card is right here. And the case that holds the stylus is right here. I'm pretty sure it is magnetic. Let's see. Yep, it's magnetic. And it has a, I believe, a kickstand feature. Let's flip the box over. See if you can get the kickstand feature going. Yep, and it's stiff. So it will hold the tablet up. Okay, this is, again, that's what you get. I'm turning it over so that the shine won't come out. But this is basically what you get with the user manual. And once again, it is the LincPlus, LINC Plus T4 tablet PCs. I'm going to charge this up, take you through the paces, let you know what I think via the link in the description below. That will take you to the full review on thegadgeteer.com. See you soon.